In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can restore deleted reels. So if you have deleted a reel and you want to get it back on your feed, what you can do is just simply head over to your Instagram app. Once you head over to Instagram and you are on your home feed here, you'll need to click on your profile picture in the bottom right hand corner. Once you are on your profile, you can now click on the three lines in the top right hand corner, and then from here you'll now need to select your activity. Once you select your activity, you will now need to scroll down until you find recently deleted, and what you can do now is just simply click on that, and then all of your recently deleted reels will be listed right here. And if you want to restore one of these, what you can do is click on the one you want to restore, and then as you can see in the bottom right hand corner there is a three dots option. If you click on that, you will get the option now to delete it, or you will get the option to restore it. So click on restore and then click on restore again, and then that will mean that you have just restored that reel to your Instagram feed.